How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. It's a Saturday afternoon, and this is episode 20 of our 2023 complete pressure washing rig rebuild. I know I'm a few weeks behind on developing and posting this video, so I thank you for your patience. There has been 19 other episodes breaking this thing down all the way from paint and rust removal to the final build. Today, of course, we're going to do a complete walk around, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to start from this corner of the rig, work our way around to the other side of the rig, and try our best to touch on every single aspect. Of course, I can't promise you that I will hit on everything. There are going to be a few things, no doubt, that I will miss. Feel free to leave comments letting me know some things that I've missed that you want some more detail on. Speaking of comments, be sure to leave a comment, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell tab. Smash everything in there. All of that helps the channel, and I'm certainly grateful. I really appreciate you. Let's start right here with the 8 gallon a minute pressure washing machine. It's a Honda GX 690 with the appropriate general pump TSF 2120. I've had this for a number of years. In fact, I have, let's see here, I have 1,965 hours on this bad boy, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to be doing a complete overhaul soon where I'm actually going to be replacing the pump so I can get in there and do some remodeling work on the inside. Plus, I'll be doing a makeover of every single element, including a new muffler, new belts, shining it up. It's going to be perfect. I'm excited about that. That will be in an upcoming video. I have the pressure trapped VRT 310, 1500 green spring, whatever they're called. I don't know. Unloaders, and nope, no link in the description. Just type it in there, pressure trapped unloader. Eventually you'll find it on Google. And I get these gauges, 6,000 pound gauges on eBay for, I don't know, 20 bucks, something like that. Someone asked me recently why I don't just keep my unloaders on the machines. Well, first of all, I like everything to be uniform, but more than anything, I like ease of accessibility. So when I want to lower or raise my pressure, I can stand on the curb beside the rig, take care of things, and it's easy peasy Japanesey. Also, when winterizing, it's easy. Just do like this. Well, I have other winterizing videos, but it's just so easy to winterize if I have leaks, and that's why I keep everything right here. It just looks better, it feels better, it operates better, and I'm happy with it. So I have my bypass lines which run right over here to the bulkhead on the side of the 275 gallon tote. Then we have two 18-inch electric Titan hose reels. My pressure hose is a generic 3/8 inch hose that I get from eBay, and I pay the extra $5 for the warranty, and I never have to buy any more hose. So I think I have 250 feet here of, again, 3/8 inch single wire 4,000 pound rated pressure hose. This is 3/4 inch supply hose that I have had for at least 5 years, that I picked up, I think, from Rural King, and there are 200 feet of supply hose there. This is my, what I call command central. It's where I keep my tools. Also, my battery is located here. It's where I keep both of my guns. This is the one I use almost with every house wash, which is a Suttner ST2700 easy pull. It's one of their most expensive guns, but I love it. And then I have a cheaper gun, which is the Suttner 2305, and I use that as a backup. Marine grade battery. Of course, in previous videos you've seen all of my electrical outputs and inputs. Toolbox here, just keep my remote controls, one for the AR-45 and this one for the FlowPro. I have a bunch of stuff in there which we'll show in another video, all of my tools in there. And underneath here I have all of my extras, shut-off valves and gauges and different things, plus my tape, some penetrating oil. It's what I spray off everything just about every day to keep from rust. At least that's the attempt. Have my FlowPro here. I have a bypass line here for downstream injector. This on and off switch is for my electric roof pump. This is the metering system for the electric roof pump. I have two more electric Titan 18-inch hose reels. This is the half-inch Curatec, the ST510. I have two of those. And then here, this is my soft wash hose. Again, half-inch for my AR-45. I will put a link in the description because I don't remember what it is. I have the red gun, spray down gun that you can see there. I make my own banners. This is, I think, a little less than an 1/8 inch aluminum plate that I bought from my metal outlet, and then I make my own banners. If you're wanting a banner, let me know. I'll do my best to get that to you. Remco 5.3, 60 PSI, and I love it. It's, you know, standby go-to, but I will tell you that it's getting to be a backup because now I have the AR-45. I've only watched one roof with it, and that's all I've done with it, but it really, really worked well, served good purpose. Again, episode 15, 16, something like that, maybe a little later, the gas roof pump setup, again, AR-45. Got this from Barry Little, and then I got this from Texas Pressure Washing Store. All of that, again, in a previous video. These are jug hugs, my invention. I keep soap here. I keep degreaser here, which is Red Raider. I keep aluminum bright here, and then a 1 gallon pump sprayer right there. I still need to put a few pieces of PVC here for my 3-foot, well, it's a 3-4 foot gun there, and also a pole. And then I have a 5 gallon container here just for soap. This supplies soap for both downstreaming if I choose, and of course the AR-45 gas roof pump. Right now I am just batch mixing, which I prefer. I prefer to batch mix for downstreaming. It's just easier and just not a problem at all. I'd use this cup. Okay, so right now I've got, I don't know, what is that, 30 gallons of SH in my 55 gallon vertical tank. So we'll say that's 30 gallons. I will get 30 squeezes. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. 30 squeezes from the soap here, and it's less than a 1/2 ounce per squeeze. You do the math, works great for me. You might want more or less. You've seen my plumbing in previous videos. Someone encouraged me, ooh, look, I've got a little leak over there. Someone encouraged me to not screw down the risers, because if the tank shifts for any reason, then it will crack the PVC. That's a fantastic idea. I do have 2 shut-off valves plus the main shut-off valve from the tote. And I do that because if ever, in particular in the wintertime, if I only want to use the 8 machine and I do not want to use the 10 machine, I can shut off that and I won't have to winterize the 10 machine, and vice versa. So works out great. It's an 18 gallon fuel cell. I'll put a link in the description. I think it turns out to actually be around 17 gallons for fuel, and I have both my 10 machine and my 8 gallon a minute machine running off one port. This is a vent, and then this is a third port. I may eventually run the AR-45 off of that, but right now I'm just running through gas tank. I will be upgrading this to an electric start. I have the electric start. That's in an upcoming video. Don't bother me about it. I have a 19-inch Whisper Wash Classic that I absolutely love, that sits in this nice little cradle here and works flawlessly, and has now for this being the 3rd year. Absolutely love this setup, and it's easy peasy, Japanesey. Same is said for the Whisper Wash Mini Mondo 31-inch surface cleaner. Same setup for that, and I've only used it once so far, but it works flawlessly. I love my new little tray that I made about a week ago. Love that. And then of course, no rig is complete without a vise. This is the Carlton Caddy. This is where I keep all of my spray bottles. They need to be looking in the same direction. I don't know why they're not. I bet Carlton has been fooling with it. Right now they only have water in there, but you can see it all works out great. Pops in there. Watch this. Poop. You want to see it again? Poop. You're dying to see it one more time. Boop. 10 gallon a minute Honda IGX 800 with the appropriate TSF 2020 2221 pump. Got this from Barry Little for a song. The dude is absolutely awesome. He hooked me up. Runs off a marine battery. I may eventually run the battery cables around and hook into the main control panel over there, but right now it serves its purpose. The trailer is a 2021 Gatormade 7x12 trailer, and you can see how much room I still have. I hope to upgrade and put I've got a leak. Did I tell you that already? Hope to put a hot water machine right here, and then I will probably reinstall the 65-gallon SH tank right here. The paint was a terrible, terrible idea. I don't even want to hear your comments on it because I'm miserable about that. Just recently, I upgraded all of this equipment here. The leaf spring. What do you call those? Oh, I forget what you call them. Anyways, upgraded all of that because it broke, and they are wet, meaning that they're greasable. So couple of $100, upgraded that. Takes away all the squeak, and it rides great. I made the signs the same, almost 1/8 inch aluminum, and I wrapped it all myself. I keep 3 ladders, 28 feet, 24 feet, and 16 feet. I keep my bullhorns right there. Let's see, anything else? I'm trying to think of things because I know how you guys are. You won't go back and watch the videos, and you'll ask a bunch of questions, and I'll be left to stay up half the night answering questions that you refuse to go back and watch the videos because you're morons, and you know that you are. I think that's it. I'm just teasing you guys. Love you, appreciate you very much. Have my dump valve here. And yeah, I think that's it. Well, it is what it is. I really appreciate you watching. My name is Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.